eyes closed. Inhale deep breath. Exhale the breath. Inhale breath again. And exhale the breath. Body is completely relaxed, and relaxed. All your body cells and body parts are completely relaxed. Relax, relax, and relax. You're feeling so relaxed. I'm sorry. I take 100% responsibility for all the relationships in this life. I'm sorry if I've hurt anyone. I'm sorry. I take 100% responsibility of any challenges and situations, negative situations in the relationships. Please forgive me, dear universe. And see that person whom you are having challenge with and ask, please forgive me. If knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, I don't know right or wrong. If I have ever given you any hurt, please forgive me for that. Please forgive me during our challenges in the relationship. If I have put all the blame on you, if I have ever judged you, please forgive me for that. Putting all the blame and complaint on you. Even though I knew sometimes I was also on the wrong side, even then putting all the blame completely on you, making you 100% responsible for the situation. Please forgive me for any hatred and angerness which is within me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not knowing maybe since the beginning of this universe or in the past births. Knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, if me or my ancestors have given any hurt to you or pain to you or to your relatives or your family members in the past lives or in this birth, intentionally or unintentionally, which has really given you hurt, a long time hurt, please forgive me for that. Please forgive me. I seek your forgiveness. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity that I can heal the relationship with this person now. Forever. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to heal the relationship which has been going through some rough patch. See the face of this person and say, thank you so much for giving me challenges any in this relationship in this lifetime. So I have learned a lot from this. From now here on, I want to heal this relationship so we move on. Move on for the better future, better clarity in life. Thank you so much for coming in my life so I can learn so much things in life. Even I can heal myself and I can start learning to heal myself and heal others. Helping healing others. I can deeply, when I heal myself, I help in healing others. When I raise my energy of healing the relationships, I raise the energy and frequency for others. When I am in peace within myself, then I create peace for all. When I'm in harmony within myself, with myself, I create harmony in all the relationships around me and for the society. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to understand the power of healing. Deep within me, now I choose to believe that I am getting healed, blessed, and loved. Visualize that person and tell him or her or that situation which is worrying you. I've never said you, always assisted you. Now I tell you that I love you. I really love you. And I love myself deeply. exactly the way I am. I love myself and I love you. I love you, universe. I love this. I love this world. I love this person. Just feel that you are loving that person or a situation. Now choose to believe that I am being healed, blessed, and loved. A divine abundance rain of love is coming from the universe, and that aura is surrounding you. It's coming from the top of the head, reaching all body parts from your face, throat, chest, stomach, lower abdomen, thighs, knees, till the feet. Fully surrounded by the divine love. And when you are at peace internally, all your relationships are getting peace, love, and harmony with you. You're attracting more and more abundance and love from outside. People are attracted to you because you become a magnet. Take a deep breath, hold the breath, and release the breath. Complete body, mind, and soul is at total relaxation. Relax, relax, and relax.